Abulusan. Romero for two. Mr. Romero, 2 points. Abulusan, Abulusan to Loy Garcia. Garcia, 2 points. Mr. Loy. Garcia to Romero again for 2 points. Bellingan for 3 points. 1, 2. Roy. Garcia, Abulusan for 2 points. Mr. Bellingan with the rebound. Bellingan at Mamadali. Bellingan side-stepping. Bellingan for 2 points. Molina, nagmamadali. Molina to Gamotin to Perocho for 2 points. Second personal foul, Mr. Perocho. Bellingan fades. Bellingan for 2 points. Molina for 2 points, Mr. Molina. Lasida, 10 seconds. Romero for 2 points. Run versus 2 situation. Lasida side-stepping down. What you wanted by Mr. Molina to Bellingan. Bellingan lumipad. Bellingan for 2 points. Molina nagmamadali. Blind pass to Perocho, power boom, Mr. Perocho. Amplona, Basto, Romero with the low post. What a low post move by Garcia for 3. Walang katao, wala. Rebound by Guantero for 2 points. Bellingan, pass to Perocho wide open. 1, 2, 3, 0. 8 seconds left. Steal by Mr. Yes, 2 points, Mr. Molina. Mr. Val, I'm done in a row. Yao, steal. Radok, nagmamadali. Radok, lain may alas. Tumalbis. Nang lidang linya, Mr. Bonyao for Salito. Molina back to Mr. Malbis. Pass to Bonyao fix. Bonyao for 2 points. Radok. Ay, tawon. Nakit na mahal. Tawon for 2 points. Mr. Radok, nagmamadali. Wala. Radok, wala. Rapid step. Counter by Mr. Gahao. Bonyao, hindi basahan. Bonyao, for 3. 1, 2, 3. Masamayor. Wala. Masamayor again. Masamayor. Radok. Ulamalinaw, wide open. Wala. Rebound si Masangkay. Molina drives, no good. Tawon. Walang katawon. For 2 points. Wala. Rebound by Mr. Perocho. Bellingan, walang katao. Bellingan for 2 points. Romero. Romero to Cabulusan. Cabulusan turn around. Change play ball. Romero. Romero for two. Romero. For three. Wala. What a power move by Mr. Molina for 2 points. Onyao for Molina. Molina for 2 points. Steal. Perrocho, girando la contra. What a play by Mr. Perrocho. Romero, 2 points, Mr. Romero. Casida, con Pamplona wala. Rebound by Romero for 2 points. Kill by Bonyao to Molina makes. Molina, and drawn by Mr. Billingan, wala pa rin. Billingan na naman. Billingan for 2 points. Perrocho feeds. Perrocho 2 points. Lasida with the rebound. Lasida nagmamadali. Lasida kakiti-kitiw. Lasida for 2 points. Extension here in the basketball club. What a play by Mr. Bonyao. Fascinating move. Lasida sidestepping. Lasida to Cabulusan for 2. Romero lumipad. Romero for 2 points. Molina 2 points. Mr. Molina. Yes. Romero back to Lasida. Back Romero nakawa bangka. Illingan lumipad. Foul by Mr. Rebound naman, Perrocho, Molina, foul and 1. Wala, rebound Bonyao, fast break to Mr. Molina, wala na tao, Molina for 2 points. Award, tao for 2 points, Mr. Tao. Ado. Bonyao for Perrocho. Perrocho straight to the basket. Perrocho for 2 points. Radok for 3. Wala naman. Foul and 1. Bahaw to Radok. Wala. Romero before. Molina pass to Perrocho for 2 points. Mr. What a play by Mr. Billingan. Perrocho to Molina to Billingan nilalaw pa. Rebound, Mr. Romero 2 points. Long second shot clock. Billingan, what a move by Mr. Billingan. Dahaw for 2. Wala. Dahaw again. 2 points, Mr. Dahaw. Timafanga to Lasida. 2 points, Mr. Lulo Lasida. Romero to Timafanga. Back to Mr. Romero for 2 points. Steal by Mr. Dahaw. Radok nagmamadali. Wala ka rin. Radok na naman. Radok talaga. Molina, wide open to Francis Molina. Perrocho to Billingan to Molina. Molina to Pirocho. Pirocho fakes. Pirocho hesitation. Pirocho 2 points. Mr. Pirocho. Cabulusa. Cabulusa. Cabulusa sidestepping 2 points. Mr. Cabulusa. Two points, Mr. Romero. So Romero. Speedboat Romero again. Romero for 2 points. The Morton killing the back. Molina. Molina for 2. Counted. And 1. Pirocho to Molina. Molina. Molina to Pirocho. Asida, 2 points. 9, 8, 7, 6, moving back. Second throw. We will be ending the game.